I'm Terry Bailey. I'm the Executive Director with the American Lung Association. Our mission basically is a world free of lung disease. So that's anything from lung cancer, COPD, asthma, and of course COVID-19. All lung diseases kind of compile under that. And so, we do that with a lot of different ways. Through education, we do that through a lot of research and advocacy. This money just allows us locally then to carry on our programs too, where we're, asthma education in the schools, our lung cancer support group, freedom from smoking, helping people to get off of tobacco, and of course we've got our in-depth and our NOT program, which is helping students in high schools and middle schools to stay off of tobacco as well. We've got our Lung Force Gala coming up in June. We also have a really fabulous week called Turquoise Takeover Week. It's bringing awareness for lung cancer and raising funds for lung cancer research. That'll be in May. We love these events, and we're really happy to recognize Tabor, or Homes by Tabor, through these events as well. We just, words cannot express how grateful we are for Homes by Tabor.